Salute. Intelligence is a fascinating subject, whether it is the complex workings of the human brain, the algorithms that power artificial intelligence, or the collective knowledge of humanity. Intelligence remains central to our progress.
No. Look.
No.
Paint rolling is an important process in painting walls or other surfaces. These are the basic steps. 1. Preparation. Clean the surface to be painted, ensuring there is no dust, dirt, or grease. Carefully cover items that do not want to be painted. 2. Prepare materials. Prepare suitable paint for the surface and tools